Lake Gaston in Littleton, North Carolina. Just met with this homeowner's insurance company. We were called by this homeowner to give him a roof estimate. When we came out to inspect, we noticed wind and hail damage, so therefore we told him to file a wind and hail claim. There's also other issues wrong with this roof. We have pipe boots installed improperly. We have architectural shingles that was used for ridge cap when you're supposed to use an actual ridge. We also have shingles that are not staggered, they're straight up, which causes a lot of issues. It can cause leaking, it can cause shingles to blow off. You want to check on your contractors, make sure they're vetted, make sure they're certified. We are a GEF Master Elite installer. We can offer a lifetime warranty with your roof. For more information, give us a call at 434-944-6005. Visit our website at remodelingbykd.com.